Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video we are talking about if you have updated your device to the latest version like iOS 16 and it's lagging. So how can you fix it? Just simply open settings first, and from here make sure that your iPhone storage is enough. So from here you have to adjust your iPhone storage. If you don't have enough storage in your iPhone, then you have to remove some unnecessary app from your phone, and after that check whether your problem has been fixed or not. And if the problem still is there, then what you need to do is just simply open settings again, scroll it down, tap on general again, then you have to scroll it down all the way, and from here you have to tap on VPN and device management, and from here make sure that you are not connected with VPN. And from here what you need to do is just simply close this page, open again setting and tap on general again, scroll it down, and then you have to shut down your device, and after that check whether your problem has been fixed or not. And if the problem is there, then what you need to do is just simply open settings again, scroll it down, tap on general, and from here tap on software update and make sure that if any update is available here or not. If any update available here, then you have to update your device to the latest version, and after that check whether your problem has been fixed or not. And if the problem is there, then what you need to do is just simply open settings, scroll it down, tap on general, scroll it down all the way, tap on transfer or reset, tap on reset, tap on reset all settings. So from here you have to reset all setting, tap on reset all setting. This will reset all setting, no data or media will be deleted. And after that what you need to do is just simply restart your device, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.